A very good morning, kids. We have started chapter number 14, pollution. In our previous class, we have done what is pollution. So let us revise it. What is pollution? The dirty and healthy things that enter the environment, it is called as the pollution. We have studied different types of pollution. What were the different types of pollution? Land pollution that we have done. What is the land pollution? When we throw the garbage anywhere, it causes land pollution. Now in today's class, we will be studying water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. First is, let us study the water pollution. Water gets dirty when garbage is thrown into river, lakes, ponds or streams. Whenever garbage it is thrown into the water bodies like river, lake, pond, it makes the water dirty. You have seen the animals, they are bathing inside the water. The human beings, they are also taking the bath inside the water. They are washing the clothes near the river bank. So this also makes the water pollutant. So that water, it is dirty water. That dirty water, it is the water pollution only. Now what happens when we drink that dirty water? We will become sick. So many diseases can occur in us. So this water pollution, it is also not good for us. So how to prevent the water pollution? We should not throw garbage into the water bodies like the river, lake, ponds and streams. We should not throw the garbage. We should not bath inside the water bodies like the river, lakes. We should not wash clothes. We should not bath. This can prevent the water pollution. Now students, you can take out page number 73 of your EVS book, water pollution. Let us read water pollution. Water gets dirty when garbage is thrown into river, lakes, streams and ponds. Water also gets dirty when humans, what are humans? We are humans. And animals bath in water bodies. Dirty water is polluted water. It causes many diseases. This dirty water, it causes so many diseases. The next we will be studying about the air pollution. What is air pollution? Smoke from factories and vehicles, this pollute the air. The air, it becomes dirty. So that is called as an air pollution. From the vehicles you have seen the black color smoke, it comes outside. It causes the air pollution. So that air, if we breathe inside, what will happen? We will become sick. So let us read. Some smoke from factories and vehicles pollute the air. The air becomes dirty and poisonous. Poisonous means it can even cause death also. This is called air pollution. We may fall sick if we breathe the polluted air. If we breathe this polluted air, what will become? We will become sick. The last is the noise pollution. What is noise pollution? An unpleasant sound is called noise. Now what is the meaning of unpleasant? What is the unpleasant sound? The loud sound, like the sound from the speaker, the sound from the bus horn, that doesn't make us feel good. That is the unpleasant sound. Very loud sound is the unpleasant sound. Like if you are shouting, so that sound, it is unpleasant sound. So what is pleasant sound? Pleasant sound is the sound that make us feel happy. Like the sound, it is from the harmonium, from the guitar. If you listen the music in a very low volume, so that sound is the pleasant. And if the volume of the loudspeaker or your TV, it is too high, then the sound, it is unpleasant sound. So whenever the sound, it is unpleasant, it causes the noise pollution. And what happens if you continue to be listening in loud music, what will happen? Your ear will become deaf. Deaf means you will not able to hear if you listen loud music for a long period of time. So now let us study about the noise pollution. An unpleasant sound is called noise. Horns of vehicles, loudspeakers, loud music and sounds from firecrackers are all noise. The firecrackers, in Diwali we used to have the firecrackers. So the noise from the firecracker, they causes the noise pollution and air pollution. Both of this they causes. So they causes the noise and air, both pollution. So this sounds they cause the noise pollution. Loud noise can damage our hearing. Damage our hearing means we are not able to hear. It may damage our hearing. So in today's class we have completed this chapter, pollution. So that's all for today's class. Take care. Be safe at your home. Goodbye.